Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are reviewing Colourpop's Limoncello Collection. First things first, I'm going into my crease with the darkest shade Vespa. I'm gonna be taking this shade all throughout the crease and blending it with a fluffy Morphe brush. This collection did come with a few brushes of its own that I was highly impressed with. If you're in need of some brushes, I would definitely recommend purchasing this set. This color needed a lot of blending. I think I could have went a little lighter as I was editing this, but it is what it is. So now I'm doing a very soft cut crease using the flat brush from the collection and a concealer from P. Louise. I'm just taking a concealer brush to buff it out on my lid, and this is going to be the base for my next shade. I also went back in with the previous shade later because I did lose some pigment from the concealer, which is a learning experience. I don't do many cut creases, so I'm definitely going to be practicing this a lot more. Now I'm using a flat brush to pack on the shade called Almafi. Once this is done, I decided to go back and blend the top of Vespa with an orangey shade called Lemon Squeezy, and it made the fade look so much better. To finish the eye look, I decided to go with a subtle wing, but instead of the norm, I actually went in with a brown liquid liner, and I loved it. So I popped on my lashes and now I'm ready for the face. First, I'm using the Glisten Up Vitamin C Face Mist to prep my skin. And also I'm going in with my Holy Grail Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Okay, I know y'all probably are like, what the heck are you doing? But this is my latest makeup hack. So I'm putting a powder that's really close to my skin tone on the oiliest spots of my face, and this has been a game changer. I love the results here. I'm using my fave powder, Derma Blend, and for foundation today, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty foundation stick, and I'm gonna buff that out with a brush. This is actually a really good foundation, you guys. I haven't given it as much credit in the past, but it's really good. Now I'm concealing / highlighting under my eyes, on my chin, and my forehead, and blending this all out with a Real Techniques beauty blender. The powder I'm using to set my concealer is the Airspun powder, which I'm currently obsessed with. Like, the smell and the finish is just amazing. Next, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty bronzer to do a little contour, just to snatch my face just a little bit, just a little. And after contouring, I'm wiping off a little excess powder because I want a little ham, and then going into a blush by MAC, which I completely forgot which one. I'm so sorry about that. Now, back to the Colourpop collection. It also came with these cute shadow sticks, and I'm going in with the shade Style and Ease in my waterline. After using Style and Ease, I'm just going to place the shade La Festa on my lower lash line to smoke out my eye, and then add some mascara. Moving into the lips, I'm taking this liner by Dominique Cosmetics and lipstick as well. And I felt a little glossy this day, so I went ahead and topped it off with a nude lip gloss. And here we have the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it this far, smash the like button, and if you're new, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. See you guys in the next video.